In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to all contacts in Zoho Mail. If you need to send the same message to everyone in your contact list, Zoho Mail makes the process quick and simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open your account, select all of your contacts, and send a message to everyone at once. This is especially useful for announcements, updates, reminders, or any situation where you want to reach all of your saved contacts without selecting them one by one. To get started, open your Zoho Mail account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your mailbox, take a moment to look at the main navigation area so you can easily find the tools you need. The key section for this task is your contacts list, because that's where you'll choose the people you want to email. Next, click on Contact to open your contact list. This will take you to the area where all of your saved contacts are displayed. Here you'll be able to review the list and confirm that the contacts you want to reach are available. If your contact list is large, don't worry. The next step makes selecting everyone much faster. At the top of the contact list, look for the checkbox above the contacts. Click that checkbox to mark and select all of the contacts shown in the list. This is the easiest way to include everyone at once instead of manually choosing each person individually. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the correct contacts have been selected, especially if you manage multiple lists or groups. Once all contacts are selected, click Send Email. This will open the Email Compose window for you. From here, you can freely write your message, add your subject line, and format the email the way you want. Make sure your message is clear and complete before sending, since it will go out to all selected contacts. If your email is ready, go ahead and send it right away. If you'd prefer to send it at a later time, you can click Send Later instead. That option is helpful if you want your message delivered at a more convenient time or during business hours. And that's it. That's how to send an email to all contacts in Zoho Mail. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.